In this video, I will show you how to move Windows 11 Start menu to the left side of the screen. So let's get started. First, right click on the taskbar and from the options, click on Taskbar Settings. On the settings screen, scroll down and then click on Taskbar Behaviors. Here, you will find first option as Taskbar Alignment with a drop down. At the moment, center option is selected. That's why Start menu and all other icons are located at the center of the screen. So just click on the drop down and then select the value as left. And as you can see, Start menu and all the app icons are now moved to the left side of the screen. So that is how you can move Windows 11 Start menu to the left side of the screen. If you find this video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.